Hello, I'm so happy that you are here with me as I reveal the 6th anniversary Luxe kit. Isn't it gorgeous already? The theme is called Aesthetic and it resembles my personal style. So, you know what? Let's dive right in. This is the What's in Your Kit card. It has pictures from all over the studio and my office. And as you can see, this kit is packed. I totally spoiled you, and I really can't wait to go through each and every product in this kit. I know a lot of you are screaming right now. This is the kit envelope, and you'll see a lot of these kind of florals. These florals are all over the studio as well. They're kind of on the walls. The first design of this notepad was actually my business card that I gave away at planner events, and so many of you asked for it to make a return, so I included it in the anniversary kit. These are the 2 washi tapes you'll be getting in the anniversary kit. This is the black and white florals, and this one is the abstract lines. You know I love my abstracts. I always say that, but I am really in love with these florals. I can't wait to see how you guys use these for your planner spreads. This is a new shape that I was kind of playing around with for the transparent page flag material. They're tabs, and I'm going to show you how you're probably going to be able to use them with your planner. So I didn't have my planner handy, so I'm just going to show you with this notepad, so you can make your own tabs. You can label them however you want. I always like to do like a today tab, or like a really important thing that I need to do, or even notes, but this is what it looks like. If you're a fan of journaling cards, quote cards, planner cards, you are going to fall in love. This is a pack, a huge pack. I believe there's 18 cards in here in different sizes. So there's like business card size, you get a mini square size, and then you get a 3x4 card size. So this pack should last you a pretty long time, and it's all in like that aesthetic, my personal style kind of vibe. It has pictures of my office. I really couldn't decide which ones to take out, so I just included all the ones that I designed. You're going to love this one sticker book if neutrals and nudes and light pinks and blacks are your fave. I just love the sticker book. Okay, this is the mini deco sheet, and the foil for this month is still a black foil, but it has a nice kind of sheen to it. And I also just wanted to take this time and thank all of you for all of your support. It's been 6 years. Gosh, I really can't believe it still that I started Shop Really Beautiful, and without all of your support, without all of you, I couldn't be where I am today, and my little shop wouldn't be where it is today. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really means so much. Let's talk pens. So you get 3 pens included with this Luxe VBKit. The first one is this matte black. The second one is a taupe brown. It's matte too, and then the beige. The first one I'm going to talk about is aesthetic. So the crystals are a mix of nude, clear iridescent, and a sheer black. The second one is called Avant Garde, and it's a taupe brown, so you get a mix of kind of a taupe crystal with the sheer black. And then the last one is called Flawless. This one has a nude beige crystal with clear iridescent mixed in. So here are your 3 pens for this month. This next special product is brand new to VB. I've leaked it, well, I shouldn't say leaked it, I sneaked it a couple times, and a lot of you were trying to guess what it is, but this is a Acrylic VBPen stand display. I love this. So here's an instruction card for you on how to set it up. If you don't know what this is, it's a stand for all your VB pens, I should say. So there's 4 pieces, and I'm gonna walk you through how to put each one together. There is like a protective film on each piece, so make sure you carefully remove each film before placing the stand together, or the stand to put together. I just want to lay out the pieces. So the first part that goes on your table has the text, and then these 2 pieces are going to be put together so it so you can attach it. Okay, now let's put this together. So you're gonna take these 2 pieces and then it's kind of make like a X pattern, kind of slide them right into each other and right in the middle. Be very gentle with these, that you don't press too hard. You should hear it a little bit click together, and then you're going to take the centerpiece and then snap it to the bottom and then snap it to the top piece. The instructions, there's a little card if you need help, but this is what it looks like. And then you can start filling this little stand with your favorite Phoebe pens. So there is 20 slots for 20 pens. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave this on my desk. Of course, you know, I have other stands, so I can like have a whole row, but it would be nice, you know, just to kind of switch it out every month, every season, or you know, whenever you feel like to display your favorite pens. So these are just pens that are on my desk. They're more of like blacks, whites, nudes, pinks. Just kind of matches my aesthetic. I did order extras of this VB pen stand display, so if you want more, don't worry. I will be launching them, releasing them when we do have kit extras. But isn't this isn't this cute? I'm so happy I was able to include this with this year's anniversary kit, as I have been working on something like this for the longest time. Leave me a comment below if you like this new product, if you want it to stick around in the shop. I did try a circle version, but I thought the square version would be better, because then you can really line them up. And this is how it looks like when it's all full. Since I was a sticker shop, I started as a sticker shop, I thought I'd include a little bit more stickers for this year's anniversary kit. Many of you liked the little pack of stickers I included with the Be Well kit, so these are similar stickers. I'm kind of mix things up. I love this sheet, but you get your transparent stickers and your regular sticker paper stickers. Oh, isn't this sheet gorgeous? I love this one. I think I want to make a bigger sheet too. But yeah, a lot of functional stickers for your everyday planning. This is another Luxe item. This is the clear frosted on the go sticker planner. It is the same size as the original sticker planners, and don't worry, should I give it out? I have about 4 different colors coming for the regular sticker planners, but this one is more of a, I would say, a travel size, just because the rings are smaller than the original sticker planners. But this will be great for like to take with you on the go when you travel. I included different things though for the inside, so I just wanted to give you a sneak peek, let you test out this format of the VB pen tracker. I have something in the works for this, a bigger version, because I know a lot of you do need something to track your pens, right? We all do. And these fit, you can add your VBPen stickers right here where this pen is, and it fits perfectly. Oh, I should have got my new tweezers to set these in place. But see, works perfect. So just a little sample of what you'll see, and then I added like a notes page because we always need notes when we are on the go. This is a little pocket for you to put stickers or die cuts, anything you need. And then oh yeah, I wanted to, since there's no pen holder for this one, since it's clear, I added this magnetic bookmark clip. I see a lot of you using these to hold your VB pens. So if I can get this out of the package, it's just a basic black, so it will match with everything. Here we go. So you're just gonna clip it to this page, and then grab your VB pen. Totally not prepared for this video. And then you're just gonna clip it here to the side so you always have your VB pen with you wherever you go. The magnetic bookmark was kind of a spur of the moment kind of thing, just because I didn't want you not to have a place where to put your pen, so that's why you don't see it in the kit card. And then after that pocket, there is sticker release paper. Oh, I was looking through this sticker planner to see if I had one already, but it's fine. I'll show you how this works. So if you're pre-planning, if you have loose sticker sheets, if you don't want to bring all your stickers that you want to use for your layouts, you can just add them to these sheets right here. And then when you're ready to use them for your layouts, you can just peel them right off. Super handy. I use these all the time when I have just random stickers everywhere and I don't know what to do with them. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So this is one of the stickers from the sticker books, from this month's sticker book. I'm just going to place it right here so I can use it for later, and then I'm just going to peel it right off and put it on my planner page. We do have extras of the sheet, so if you need more, they're currently in the shop because I did release this last year as well. Also, I wanted to show you that the clear sleeves, these are on the way also, so don't fret. Oh, and the dividers too. If you need dividers, those are in the shop. But the clear sleeves are on the way, so we'll have those for towards the end of the year. And these fit the little mini deco sheets perfectly. A lot of shops have around, you know, the same size of these type of sheets, sticker sheets, so you can add all your stickers, store them away, and it fits perfectly in there. As I'm going to show you, I'm going to take like little mini deco sheets, and then when I start I have so much stuff to release, there's like so little time. When I start having individual sticker sheets again, those will fit as well. So there's your on-the-go sticker planner. Just a little bit of decorating pieces for you. So this is a paperclip and charm set. I haven't done one of these before, and I couldn't decide if I wanted a charm or if I wanted a dangle paperclip, so I included one of each for the set. Don't forget, there is protective film on the clear acrylic pieces, so remove those before inserting them in your planner. Last and final product for this month's Luxe 6th anniversary VBKit is a VB toolkit. Roxy from Picatina Plants actually was a little birdie that gave me this suggestion like a while ago. So I decided to put it for this anniversary kit, and I hope you guys really like it and use all the tools. But this is a card that tells you what's inside, what it's for. So you get a VB acrylic ruler, because we always need a straight edge. Oh, there's protective film on this. Don't forget to take that off. This is a washi card. and I'm going to show you how to use it just in case you don't know. So I'm going to use the black and white floral and just tape it all around. These are great to use, you know, when you travel, when you don't need to take so many washi rolls with you, and you always can use the straight edge to have a nice clean tear when you break away the washi tape. These are travel scissors, nice size, and then they just go back into place like this. And then next, oh, okay, so this is a mechanical pencil, and pay attention to how I click the clip. When you click the clip down, that's when the lead comes out. This is just correction tape. If you make a mistake writing, you can just, you know, kind of white it out. I'm going to show you just an example, so I'm just going to write this down. Pen test and my name, and then take the correction tape and just glide it across to erase my mistake. No, not really erase. I should say more hiding my mistake if you do make one. And then this one is a adhesive, double-sided adhesive tape. So if you ever need to put down maybe journaling cards or oh, these work really well with transparent page flags. If they lose their stickiness, you can tack them down with this double-sided adhesive tape, or, you know, for stickers, if you don't want to peel the backing, you can just add the tape as well. Oh, and then these are the tweezers I mentioned earlier. I don't know if some of you caught that, but yeah, so a lot of your essential tools that you can use for planning, for crafts, but I thought it'd be really nice to have something that was all together. I want to show you how to use tweezers if you've never used a pair of tweezers for planning. Tweezers work great if you need to get a hold of, you know, small stickers, in case you don't have nails, or, you know, it's really tiny. Tweezers help put the sticker in place where you want it. So that is the VB toolkit. I hope you really love it, and it really helps you with your planning needs. If you ordered the paper pack, this is what the paper will look like. 2 vellum sheets. Oh, and since this kit is shipping in a box, the paper is not folded. I did change manufacturer on the paper, so there might be a slight difference, but not too much. So I just wanted to point that out in case you kind of noticed the difference in texture and kind of weight. Okay, wow, that wraps it up. I hope all of you, my VB family, enjoyed the 6th anniversary Luxe VBKit. I am so proud of this kit. I really put my heart and soul, and I really wanted to reflect my personal style. Lots of fun goodies for you. Just a way for me to say thank you for supporting Villa Beautiful. Alright, let's look into next month's kit. It's all about Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday. There are a few kits left in the shop, so make sure to go pre-order your kit so you don't feel left out. Again, I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything, and we'll see you next month.